Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin with safety and a steady working thread. Turn the machine off and raise the presser foot so tension discs open, then place your cones on the spool holders. Once done, guide each thread through the top thread guides and into the tension discs. Make sure threads follow the marked arrows on the jack overlock. Keep a 10 to 12 cm tail to pull. This gets you into the threading path and prevents slips as you move to loopers next. Now focus on the loopers, the tricky middle steps. You thread the lower looper first because it sits behind the upper and helps form stitches. Trace the metal path slowly and use a looper tool if the opening is small. Once the lower looper is secure, route the upper looper, keeping thread under every guide and into spring clips to prevent slack. After both loopers are done, double-check against the machine diagram. Doing this reduces skipped stitches once you pass to the needles. Finish by threading the needles. Right needle first, then left, following the needle guides and take up lever so threads sit cleanly in the eyes. Once threaded, lower the presser foot, hold the thread tails together, and slowly hand-turn the handwheel to bring threads through and form the first stitches. Trim excess tails to neat length. If you see skipped stitches or loose loops, recheck looper sequencing and slightly adjust tension. This one check solves most common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.